other dignitaries to this evening program, which is called First Launch Cum Press Meet for Impact 2014, a national packaging exhibition with a theme of packaging challenges and opportunities, which will be held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi during 16 to 18th of January 2014. Sir, Hyderabad Center is in constantly working for the growth of the packaging industry, and today's function has got a relevance to this Impact 2014. I'll come back again. I also welcome to Madhav Reddy, who is the board member of EPIDA and on my colleague to the EPIDA board, and also the eminent exporter of the fruits and vegetables to this function. Give a big hand to the Madhav Reddy. I also welcome the eminent personality, Mr. Kondaya, who took liberty to come to attend this function. I welcome to the speakers, the overseas speakers who was here with us since morning to attend this conference. Friends, the city of Hyderabad has got a great significance with a national packaging exhibition called Impact. Many of you may not be knowing that Indian Institute of Packaging is an autonomous body in the field of packaging technology and working under the administrative control of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Besides our normal activities, we do also organize national and international packaging exhibition under the banner called Impact and India Pack. These two exhibitions, the whole objective is to promote the export market and also to make an awareness about the subject packaging in the country. Hyderabad Center has got a great relevance to this national packaging exhibition. The reason behind the Impact, the national packaging exhibition, which was started in 1985 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. This exhibition continued till 1999, and subsequently we have changed the terminology. Instead of Impact, we started an exhibition called India Pack, and which is an international packaging exhibition. The second launch, which we are going to do at Delhi on 9th of August 2013, to commemorate to another occasion, that is the inauguration of second phase of IIP Delhi Center, which will be inaugurated by none other than Sri Anand Sharmaji, the Union Minister for Commerce, Industry and Textile, Government of India. Our third launch is planned in Mumbai on 30th August, followed by Chennai launch on 6th of September, and then Kolkata. The whole idea is this kind of launch function to convey a message to the industries what is the importance of the national packaging exhibition and how best you can make use of this exhibition for the benefit of your business growth. We are taking all our efforts to make this forthcoming event a grand success. I would only request all the industry members who are here, or maybe in word of mouth you can talk to other industry members to come forward and make yourself associated with the forthcoming event, either as an exhibitor or maybe a visitor or maybe a delegate for the national conference during the Impact 2014, and make this forthcoming event a grand success. With this, I welcome all of you. Thank you very much.